Morning everyone, it's the weekend again, so video time. Hope everyone's had a decent week and everything. So nearly the football season, so right, anyway, big box here. I know what's in this one, so you won't be disappointed. Right, tune of the day, we're going to it's a bit of a synthy Italian job. Back to 94 for this. If you don't like it, just fast forward it to when I start opening the boxes. I know there is quite a few people that like these kind of tunes. So. Right. Synthesis, End of Time. That's what it's called. Synthesis, End of Time. Big track in The Zone and Sequins back in the day in Blackpool. Right, unboxing timer. Big thank you to everyone that watched the last two Jap videos. All sold out, so massive thanks for that. Good viewing figures and all, so thanks again. Right, 2 left from the previous 3 drops in total. So come on a bit. SL72 Olympic, UK 75. They're in good nick. There's no marks or anything on them. They're from 08. March 08, made in Indonesia, UK 75. And so got them. UK 65 ZX 500. Lovely colourway on them. They are brand new. Once again, I think they're from January 08. Made in Vietnam, UK 65. So both of them are still here. Not after much for them both. Right. This box is massive. It's probably the biggest box I've had in terms of size. Out of lockdown. We were in lockdown for 7 days. Came out of it on Tuesday night. I think there was 11 or 12 cases in total. So happy days. Now I might start to do 2 of these a week, because towards Christmas time I'll be away for probably at least 3 months. I haven't seen my daughter or the wife since January last year. So as you can imagine, I'm absolutely itching and I am going for a long time. So there won't be any unboxings while I'm over there, but I will get to a few markets to show you some interesting sites for shoes. Right, first one of the day. Night Jogger, UK 6. And these are becoming increasingly hard to get hold of. I actually had a look on eBay today and I couldn't find not one pair for sale. Card comes with it. Brand new in the box. Tagged. Brand new. Still got the stickers. Well, obviously if they're brand new they're still going to have the sticker on the sole, aren't they? Made in Vietnam, July 2015. There's no flaws with these at all. There never has been. Not like the not like the rubbish that they start to sell nowadays. Nice. Maybe a job to get in this. double wrapped. Pass the parcel. So after a minute of the video you'll have to fast forward. Let's see. Belter pair. City Marathon PT. Brand new, tagged. UK 9. It's got the secret stash pocket as always. Made in Vietnam, January 2015. City Marathon PT, UK 9, brand new with tags. Night jogger, UK 5. Card again. Brand new in box with tags again. I'll only get the one out because this is going to be the same. UK 5. It's a UK 5 and a UK 6 night jogger. Oh, what's a pair? Tell you what, they don't make these like they do now, do they? Archer. I had a pair of them a while back. I can't believe there's another pair. Yeah, tagged, brand new in box with tags. Try finding these anywhere nowadays. What a pair they are. Made in Indonesia, September 2007, UK 9, brand new in box with tags. What was it? Size tried to do a snidey, the lost ones. Well, they're not lost anymore. Alright, Universal. Don't know whether they're brand new or not. They look absolutely mint. Black and brown. Well, if they're not brand new, then they're as good as brand new because they look brand new. I'm going to pull the laces out, the tag's right down the bottom. Made in Vietnam. They're a UK 9. January 08. Universal. They're quite nice, that colour. I've never seen that colourway before. Where did they come up with them? Night Jogger Plus. Don't know what the plus means. If anyone knows what the plus means, leave a comment in the description below. UK 10.5. Right, this is a pair. I did put a picture up on Instagram the other week. Never seen that colourway before. They're brand new. Tags. They're definitely going to reflect in the dark. Absolutely, you can just tell from the way the stripes and the heel tab are. I know night joggers should, but inside tacky. It's not too bad, which leads me to believe they've got to be made in China. Made in China, June 2003, UK 10.5. Brand new in box with tags. Cracking pair. Two to go. Night Jogger UK 8.5. Battery's gonna go on this camera, so I'm gonna have to change the battery. So I'll change it now. UK 8.5. I'm back. Right, yes, a Night Jogger UK 8.5. That box is massive for an 8.5. Card. You know what's coming here, don't you? Brand new in box with tags. Night Jogger UK 8.5. They are a lovely shoe like them. I think when you look at them closely, there's not a glue mark to be had. That just shows how the how poor Adidas have gone in the last 5 or 6 years. Made in Vietnam, July 2015, UK 8.5. There just can't be any quality control on Adidas anymore, there just can't be. But if there is, the person doing the quality control, Stevie Wonder. So that's all I can, it's just... you know what's coming here, don't you? Yep. Night jogger. Same size again, I'm afraid, lads. UK 8.5. Yeah, brand new in box again, with tags, card. I don't need to show you them, they're brand new in box with tags. So we haven't just got, we've got 4, no in fact we've got 5 brand new in box night joggers. Right, that's what there is. SL72 Olympic, they're actually quite nice then. They're really good nick. The silhouette on them is really spot on. ZX500, they're actually are true to size them as well, because the tongue on them is leather. It's not like a thin and flappy tongue, it's really well made. City Marathon PT UK 9, brand new with tags. Universal UK 9, they're as good as brand new. Right, and we've got the white and orange night joggers. We've got a 5, a 6 and 2 8.5s. We've got the 10.5 brand new in box with tags night jogger plus from 2003, made in China. And finally Archer UK 9 brand new in box with tags. So that's a pretty belter drop, that. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to start doing, probably going to start doing 2 a week. Work committed, because like I said, I'm aiming for December, and I'm out of here till Easter at least. So anyway, big thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, bottom right hand corner of your screen, hit the notification bell. So like I said, if I'm doing 2 a week, there's going to be 1 midweek. It could be any time. So alright, have a good weekend everyone. We'll see you on the next one. Possibly midweek. If not, there'll definitely be another one next weekend. Cheers everyone. Ta-da.